Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have the Swedish Polar Bear, a really simple, colorful cocktail to make. What you want to do is start off with 2 shots of raspberry vodka. Follow that up by 1 shot of blue Caraco. It's basically an orange liqueur that's colored blue. And then you want to shake that in an ice-filled shaker. Move an ice-filled glass. And get ready for the next couple of things we got to do to make it. Like I said, most of this stuff you'll have right on hand. The only thing you might have to buy is the vodka and the Caraco. Pour the mix into your ice-filled glass. Top off with just a bit of lemon juice, just a splash, maybe a teaspoon or so. And then just a little bit of Sprite, maybe teaspoon and a half if you want to measure. And then just stir this around, and that's it. The Swedish Polar Bear. Done.